Hey everybody, what's going on? So, I hope you can hear me. My mic broke, so I don't have a mic. And of course, they are bulldozing a house behind me. So that's all the noise in the background. I hope you can hear me. Anyway, I've got a small plant haul. Yesterday, I went to Home Depot. So of course, I went to Home Depot for a spool of wire. So of course, what do? You run through the garden center and you pick up some plants because that's just what you do. Anyway, I bought, I have two big containers in my front, in the front garden that I want to, I've got a big tall tree in it, and I want something to spill over the edges. So I picked up 6, because I have 2 pots. I'm going to put 3 in each pot. 3, well, I can't pick up all 6 of them. Here's 3 of the 6. From Proven Winners, of course, always. This is Wojo Gem Vinca Vine for only $6.48. Not bad. You can see that Wojo Gem Vinca from Proven Winners. Beautiful foliage. See that? It's going to look great just cascading over the side of that large pot. But anyway, this is great. It's full to part sun. That gets plenty of sun. There's no deadheading necessary because it's grown for the foliage. I don't even know if it blooms, but that's that. Oh, before I go any further, just let me point out, these are sitting in water. I let them soak overnight in a tray of water. I always do that with everything that I plant, everything that I buy. I let it soak overnight, let it get a good drink of water so it can get a good head start before it gets planted in. Anyway, that's the first plant. The next plant are these white SunPatiens. Look at that, from SunPatien. SunPatiens, yeah. It is in full sun, beautiful plants, easy to grow. I've grown them before. They're very heat tolerant, but this is them. Check out those beautiful flowers. It's kind of hard. Let me find one to focus on. There you go. Just beautiful, beautiful white flowers, dark green foliage. Absolutely beautiful. So that's it. SunPatiens. And these are going to go in the front of a border, so they're going to be perfect. I've got some a bunch of other green stuff up front. I've got some lemon coral sedum, so you got that bright chartreuse green with these, and then some really like a chartreuse grass. I think it's going to be perfect for the front of the border. So there we go. Vinca and SunPatiens. See you guys later. Tune in. I'll be posting videos of where I plant these so you guys can see that. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I will post more videos. Bye. Thanks.